Welcome to jobworld.com, where we do the job of connecting buyers with the best Caribbean real estate opportunities. Today, we're taking you inside another incredible property in the Caribbean, so stay tuned.
Who says investment properties don't exist in Hartwell Gardens? Come take a look with me at this beautiful property that I have listed in Clarendon. It's basically two homes under one roof. Two kitchens, two living and dinings, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a carport. What more could you ask for? Take a tour with me in Hartwell, Clarendon, where we're going to look at what this house has to offer. So for the first entrance, we're looking at a massive veranda that leads straight into the foyer or living room. High ceiling, chandelier, space for you and your family to grow and enjoy each other. We go right into the dining room, which is beside the kitchen. You see that window there? That's where the kitchen is. So let's go around to the kitchen. Inside the kitchen, everything is already set up for you with counter space and cupboards. All you have to do is put your stove and your fridge and you are ready to go. And that's what the dining room looks like through the window. Now the first bedroom, nice size, and it comes with a built-in closet. You just have to get your little bifolding door there and you're ready. Let's look at the bathroom. Very nice size, very clean, very spacious, well kept. You can see yourself living here already. All the fixtures are already in place. It's just for you to move in and put your personal touch to it. Looking at the second bedroom, wide open spaces again, built-in closet, just needs a bifolding door. Bright windows, so a lot of natural lighting. So let's look at the back veranda. Nice space and roomy washroom. It can hold a washer and a dryer and a couple clothes baskets. And now let's look at the second unit, starting from the back veranda. So this one doesn't have its own washroom, but the back veranda can be used as a washroom. And we have the kitchen here to the back instead. Once again, already fitted with cupboards. Let's look at the room. It's very similar to the other side, built-in closets, big space, bright natural lighting. And we are going to look at this bathroom. Once again, very similar, big open space, natural lighting, already has a counter, sink and everything. Let's look at the second bedroom. Big bedroom, built-in closets, nice, bright, big windows. And the living and the dining room in this one, it's in one place. It's not separated. But most importantly, we have stairs, room for you to grow, already there for you. Garage, automatic garage, big open land space, so you can expand if you want to. What do you think?